Check it out, everybody. A new storage solution for the Polaris Boost.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm Link.
And I'm Chris.
And what in the flubber noodles do you have?
So this is a cool new storage bag and holder for under the hood of the Polaris Boost. This only works for the Polaris Boost, no other Polaris models. Well, maybe if you had like an aftermarket hood, or I don't know. But this is for the Polaris Boost, and it's really cool because it comes with this awesome powder coated metal bracket that we're going to install, and it's ridiculously easy. And then this really cool storage pouch. It's kind of like almost like the size of like a toiletries bag, but it comes with 10 feet of paracord if you ever need it. You know what I'm saying? And then it's got, we open up the side, it's got a place to put, I don't know, what do you want to put in here? Like documents or something, tool holders of some kind, or you can put pens in there. I don't know why you don't want a pen on the mountain, but anyway. And then this side is just like a kind of like a big pouch with a mesh pocket on the side. Anyway, this thing's really cool. It's heat resistant, and I believe it's water resistant or waterproof as well. So if you put stuff in there, it doesn't get cooked under the hood, but it stays warm. You can put tools, spare goggles actually fit in here, believe it or not. Small pair of gloves, whatever. So anyway, we have a ton of storage with the Milwaukee pack out already, but I kind of wanted this. So yeah, best wife ever in the whole world got me this for Christmas. Like, my wife bought me sled parts for Christmas. She's a keeper.
Nice.
Anyway, all right, what do you guys think? Should we get on with the install?
I think so.
All right, let's get to it.
So if it's that easy, tell me what we have to do.
It's ridiculously easy. There's the one bolt here on your ECM. You just take that bolt off. And then there's a nut right here on your clutch, or not your clutch, your belt guard, and your oil cap. So you just take those three out. They give us a new bolt with a little kind of spacer to go in behind. And then we reuse that nut, and then we put the oil cap on. That's it. And it's done. Super easy. Almost forgot. This new bracket we're putting in, it stiffens this up. Look at, see how that oil tank wiggles around there, Link?
Yeah.
It's going to stiffen that up, reduce vibrations, which is always a good thing because it reduces metal fatigue on the aluminum parts. Okay, let's take these bolts off. So now we got to get this 10mm nut on there. It's tough to get to, so I just put a piece of tape in the socket, squish the nut in like this, and now I should be able to get it on. However, I don't know how I'm going to turn it. So we'll see if I can get my fingers in there and get it started, and then that should be enough room to get a little ratchet or something on there. So wish me luck. Oh, this is going to take a while. All right, I'm going to tighten this up, and then we'll show you guys the finished product. There we go, all installed. Look at that, oil cap, nice and solid. Brackets in place, all tightened up. Got our storage bag, and it just slides in like that. Not sure what we're going to put in it yet, but it sits in place like that. And then, of course, there's some slots here on these. So if this isn't right full, we could put like a little bungee or a zip tie or something across there to stop this from coming out. But when it's full, I don't know if it will come out. So, you know, it fits into place like that. Sweet product from HPS. So, all right, guys, if you like that, you want to see more videos, leave it in the comments, like, share, subscribe, yada, yada. And what do we say, buddy?
See you in the next one.
Yeah. Thanks for watching.